Okay, let's solve number 7. So this quadratic equation is on this side. We still have two cases. We're going to take the x minus 10 outside of the absolute value brackets. We just keep that positive. Let's move everything to one side here. So moving, keeping this positive, I'm going to move the x over here. So we're going to get negative 11x, add 10 over. And again, this one factors, so we can save time. We don't need our quadratic formula. X equals 10, x equals 1. Let's look at case 2 now. That was 1. We're going to bring a negative sign through there. So negative x plus 10 equals x squared minus 10x. So again, let's rearrange this. So 0 equals x squared. I'm going to move this over. So negative 10 plus x, oops, this should be minus rather, minus 9x. Move this over, minus 10. Two numbers that multiply to negative 10 add to negative 9 are minus 10 plus 1. So x equals 10, x equals negative 1. Now we must check our answers. So for our check 10. So put that in our absolute value brackets. 10 minus 10 is equal to 10 squared minus 10 times 10. We're going to get 0 equals 100 minus 100, so 0 equals 100. So 10 is an answer. Now we got 10 over here. We don't have to rewrite the check out twice. We can circle that. We don't necessarily, we'll clearly state our answers after, so we're not repeating things. We still have to check 1 and negative 1. So I'm going to check 1 now. So 1 minus 10 is equal to 1 squared minus 10 times 1. So I get negative 9 is equal to 1 minus 10. So that becomes positive 9 equals negative 9. That's not true. Don't forget your not equal to sign. This is an extraneous root then. And then let's check negative 1. So I'm going to plug in negative 1 for x. And we get negative 11 equals 1 plus 10, so we get 11 equals 11. So we do get this one to work. So our answers, when we kind of sum this up, are negative 1. So I'm just going to clearly rewrite them here, and 10.